All right, I'm finishing up my division on the right-hand side. So 6 goes into 1 0 times. 6 goes into 15 2 times, and that's 12. And then I have 3 left over. Yeah, okay, so this is 2 and 3/6. Okay, so this one says I print 2 and 3/6 of a photo per minute. Okay. Now we did step 1, which is find the unit rates, and step 2 is find out which one is bigger. So if I can print 2 photos per minute, that's cool. But if I can print 2 and 3/6 of a photo in a minute, that's more photos. I'm printing more photos at my home printer. So this one prints faster. Because it can print more photos per minute. So this is interpreting our unit rate to figure out which one is bigger or which one is faster. Okay. Sometimes it'll ask which one is slower or which one is smaller or which one is cheaper. You have to pay attention to what the question is asking. This one asked which one was faster. Okay, let's try another one. I think I have to start a new page. Yep, I got to start a new page. Okay, so this type of problem has multiple steps, and so you got to do multiple parts. Okay, so it says lightning strikes the earth 1,000 times in 10 seconds. So that means every 10 seconds we got 1,000 lightning strikes. Okay. It says how many strikes happen in 12 seconds. That's part A. So in order to solve part A, we need to first find the unit rate. And then second, we need to multiply the unit rate. So first, let's find the unit rate. I know I've got strikes per second. And my strikes are 1,000 in 10 seconds. Okay. So then I'm going to do 1,000 divided by 10. 1,000 divided by 10. 10 goes into 1 0 times. 10 goes into 10 once. And then I've got a bunch of zeros. So this is 100. So this is 100 strikes in 1 second. Okay. So my unit rate is right here, my 100 strikes in 1 second. So then now it wants to know how many strikes in 12 seconds. Well, if every single second is 100 strikes, then I just have to multiply by 12. So this becomes 1,200 strikes in 12 seconds. So 1,200 strikes in 12 seconds. Okay. All right. So then the second question asks, if it changes to 750 strikes in 8 seconds, is it slower or faster? So for this one, I have to figure out what is the unit rate. Find unit. And then I'm going to compare it to the original unit. Compare. Okay, so strikes per second. I got 750 in 8 seconds. So I do 750 divided by 8. 750 divided by 8. 8 goes into 7 0 times. 8 goes into 75 9 times, and that's going to be 72. We get a 3 and a 0. 8 goes into 30 3 times, and that's 24. And that's 6 left over, okay? So I've got 93 and 6/8 per second. All right, so this is my unit rate. Just like this one was my unit rate from earlier. Which one is bigger? Well, this one, the 100 per second, is bigger. So that means that this is slower. Slower strike rate. Because 93 strikes per second is smaller than 100 strikes per second. Okay. Again, questions, please ask them. I want to see them.